So you've clicked on this video because you want answers to this question: how do I become a digital marketer with no experience? Stay tuned until the end because I will give you the toolkit and 6 practical steps that will help you begin your career in digital marketing. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much. Let's begin. Let me start by telling you what a digital marketer actually is. A digital marketer is a person who is responsible for promoting a business and its products using online channels. Digital marketers have extensive knowledge of how social media, search engines, websites and online advertisements can generate sales, leads, increase traffic to a business and build more brand awareness. They typically combine creativity, social advertising and data analysis to help businesses optimize their online presence. This can help a company interact more effectively with potential customers. Some digital marketers are in charge of an entire organization's online activities, while others may specialize in a niche digital marketing role. Let me now explain to you what role a digital marketer will actually do. Digital marketers produce, manage and analyze web content for companies to use as a form of advertising. Their tasks tend to focus on a few key areas. The first one is search engine optimization, or SEO. Digital marketers use the way search engines function to make their web content more visible and accessible to potential customers. Search engine optimization, SEO, and search engine marketing, SEM, involves researching keywords to target an audience through search engine rankings on Google. Next one is content marketing. Producing written and audio-visual content to attract customers to a business's website is one of the primary ways digital marketers build an effective online presence. The next one is UX and UI. Digital marketers develop the user experience, which is UX, and user interface, which is UI, of their various digital platforms to engage their audience and make it easier to promote a company or business's content. The next one is analytics. Data analysis is one of the key roles in digital marketing. Digital marketers use analytics tools to track traffic on their website and determine what types of content and ads result in the most conversions and sales. Now let's talk about a typical day. A digital marketer might handle any of these responsibilities: posting on social media, planning email campaigns, approving marketing copy, managing influencer relationships, running analytics reports, updating website code, researching online trends, collaborating with company leadership to adjust marketing strategies, tracking sales funnels, and establishing goals and performance indicators. I will now give you 6 practical steps which can help you get started in a career in digital marketing. Here we go. Step number 1, find an internship. Having a formal education isn't always a top priority for employers who want to hire digital marketers. This field evolves and changes quickly, so many employers prefer candidates who have practical experience. Although some digital marketing positions may require a bachelor's or master's degree in marketing or public relations, you can get started in entry-level jobs with basic internship experience. Being able to shadow current digital marketers can give you an inside perspective of how the digital marketing landscape works and show you what you can do to stay competitive in the field. Here is step number 2, take online courses. Most of the work a digital marketer will actually do takes place on the internet, so online courses are very useful tools for developing the right skills your future employers may require. You can find basic free courses or invest in paid online classes that explain important marketing strategies and methodologies and give you in-depth practice with leading digital marketing tools. Some online courses may also offer an official certification that you can put on your resume to demonstrate your expertise in a particular area. Earning one of these certifications can help you show your industry skills, which may encourage employees to consider hiring you for your first digital marketing position. Let's move on to step number 3, practice with a blog. I recommend that you start building your portfolio as a digital marketer and get practical experience by starting your own blog. You can use your blog as a way to try out different SEO strategies, learn about basic web design and development, grow your audience, and start gathering and interpreting key digital marketing metrics. I suggest that you consider mentioning your blog in your application materials, such as on a cover letter, to demonstrate your ability to build and reach online. You can also simply use it as a way to practice new skills before trying them in a high-stakes work environment for a business, brand or a client. Now, for those of you watching that don't know what a blog is a regularly updated website that offers conversational articles written in almost a diary style by an individual or a group of contributors. Blogs are often started with an audience or specific subject in mind which guides all the content creation. Though the topics can vary dramatically, the sole purpose of a blog is to connect the author with a relevant target audience. Here are some more top tips about blogging to help you get started. Number 1. Pick a topic. When creating a blog, the first step is to determine your niche or your target audience. What will you write about and who will you write for? Deciding what you plan to talk about on your blog will inform all future decisions. Tip number 2. Choose a name for your blog. After you've decided on a topic to build your blog around, you can then choose a name. It can be helpful to explore other blogs within your niche to see how they brand themselves online. However, I suggest you avoid limiting yourself to only looking at blogs that are similar to what you have and how you will be writing. Look outside of your niche, this can still provide some valuable inspiration. Tip number 3. Purchase a domain for your blog. After you've decided on the name, it's time to choose and purchase the domain. This is also known as the web address on the internet. Most of the time this will simply be your blog's name. You can purchase your domain ahead of time, or you can also buy it through the web host that you choose to use. Tip number 4. Select a platform for your blog. A platform is a site that you can use to build and host your blog. Web hosting sites will vary in price and usability, so make sure you do your research before choosing which platform that you would like to use. Regardless of your choice, check that it is self-hosted, which means that it will allow you to connect your own domain to the blog. Self-hosted websites will give your blog more visibility, are more sustainable long-term, and give the impression that you are serious about your blogging. Tip number 5. Write useful and engaging content. Now that you have completed the foundational steps for your blog, it's time to start writing. You'll want to focus your efforts on creating content that offers the readers some value. They need a reason to keep reading, so try to write about things that will change their life. Maybe try and write about pain points that they have, help them solve their problems, and things that can help them even in a very small way. Additionally, this will develop a level of trust and loyalty between you and your readers, which will be vital if you hope to monetize your blog in the future. Tip number 6. Promote your blog and start building some engagement. Now that you have built your blog, the next step is to get people to read it. Though some people may stumble upon your website after an internet search, you're going to have to attract the majority of your first readers. Now, here are a few tactics that you can use to promote your blog. The first one is to use SEO. This is also known as search engine optimization. SEO sounds quite daunting, but it simply refers to incorporating specific keywords and phrases to ensure that your blog is popping up when people search those keywords. Most platforms offer a place for you to add the SEO for specific pages and articles, and you can also use a WordPress plugin like Yoast to optimize your articles in your blog for SEO. My next tip is for you to create a profile for your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Build a persona for your target audience and then use it to figure out what other blogs they like to read and what information they find valuable. After you've determined where they frequent online, you can then make yourself visible there by offering to create a guest post, leaving comments or providing answers to questions that other people are asking. Let's now move on to step number 4, network with other digital marketers. The social nature of digital marketing makes it essential to network with other people who work within the industry. I suggest that you use social media sites to engage in discussions about digital marketing best practices and strategies and expand your professional network from there. You can integrate yourself into the digital marketing community through these relationships and learn about job openings, job offers, and from other digital marketers. In addition to building a professional presence online, I suggest that you consider attending conferences and webinars and seminars and other digital marketing events to meet thought leaders and find mentorship opportunities. Let's move on to step number 5, choose an area of interest. I recommend that you decide whether you want to specialise in a particular area or if you prefer to do a little bit of everything. Large agencies may require more specialisation than small companies with a single in-house digital marketing position. If you choose to specialise, start seeking projects that allow you to grow those particular skills. If you prefer general digital marketing tasks, I suggest that you consider taking management and leadership courses to learn more about the strategic and conceptual side of digital marketing. Let's move on to step number 6, invest in your professional development. Even after you get your first job as a digital marketer, I would recommend to be constantly seeking out new learning opportunities that can help you keep up with the changes in the digital landscape. I highly suggest that you research new digital marketing tools and read email newsletters from digital marketing publications to help you stay informed about the best practices as they develop. I suggest that you begin to talk to your colleagues and learn more about their role in digital marketing, taking advantage of your current employees' resources to further expand your knowledge base. Let me now briefly tell you about digital marketing specialisations. Digital marketing is a large field that encompasses many different positions. Some people have digital marketer as their job title, while others handle more specific duties. Here are some of the roles that often fall under the category of digital marketer: content writer, SEO specialist, analytics manager, user experience designer, email marketing manager, social media manager, e-commerce specialist, PPC specialist, and digital marketing manager. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below the video and don't forget to tell me which step from this video you are going to put into practice first. Or if you have any questions, drop them down below and I will follow up with you. If you would like to learn more about how you can create a second income online, I have got something special for you. Click the link below to join our exclusive webinar on creating a second income online. This isn't just a video, it's your ticket to an income-changing opportunity. Make sure you check out that link and go through to my website and I will see you at the webinar. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thank you for watching.